Hello everyone, welcome to another lesson for English, and today I will be talking about the usage of the word I am or I apostrophe M. You would have seen a lot in English language, and this is basically an abbreviation of the word I am, and it is used in combination with other words to tell someone about yourself or to describe something you are doing. Like, I am so tired, I am confused, I am happy, I'm 23 years old. I am hungry. I'm nervous. I am excited. I'm thirsty. I am from Seattle or I am from India. I'm extremely tired. You can also add descriptive words such as I'm very happy. I'm terribly hungry. So, um, basically, I am is a short for I space am, and this is just um, to inform someone about yourself and to describe something what you're doing. That's as simple as that. Hope you enjoyed this informative video, and please feel free to write to me what kind of videos you want me to create in future so that I can create more English lessons based on your understanding and based on what you want me to simplify it for you. Thank you, and I will see you again on my next video.